Sapota number 2. This is the backyard in Sapota number 2. There's the back deck, back of the house. This is like a little side yard. And there's like little brickwork everywhere. Love that. Reminds me of Nana's house. Nana had brick, but it doesn't remind me of Nana's house. Anyway, ooh, look at that sun. This is going into the bricked out area of the backyard. Crocuses!
Can we go see the basement?
I know, yeah. I didn't even get to go in here. God, you guys. Jeez. Hey, we're going to look back and say, I don't know about this, and then we're going to look back and say, oh yeah, we did like that. See? This